Happy Monday. I hope that you had a great weekend. I hope that you were able to relax, have some fun, maybe play outside. The weather was pretty nice. But now we're back. We're ready to start learning again and to work hard again. And I know you can do it. I'm so proud of all the hard work that you're doing. Let's get started on our slides for today. All right. Good morning, second graders. Today is Monday, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. This week's reading goal is the same all week. It is students will use a model to explain how humans impact pollination. The materials that you're going to need for today are your choice board, your What is Pollination text, your Growing Melons text, a pencil, your independent reading books, and your learning packet. Remember, the learning packet is linked at the bottom of this slide. If you don't get it in time, which seems to be happening, they're a little slow, so it'll always be linked in the slides. Your success criteria for the week is going to stay the same all week. You're going to find and state the main topic after reading an informational text. You're going to find the focus of specific paragraphs in a text. You're going to identify key information of scientific ideas or concepts, and identify and describe the connection of a series of events or steps. Then in writing, we're working on opinion writing again. So you can state an opinion, including the topic of the book, what you're writing about. You can give reasons to support. You can use linking or connecting or transition words to connect those opinions, and then provide a concluding statement. And then in science, to be successful, you can use a picture or a drawing to describe how animals help with seed dispersal. All right, these are your important words to know for the week. This is your vocabulary. So a model is a picture or diagram that is used to explain how the parts work by themselves and together with other parts. Pollen is made and exchanged by flowering plants to make new plants. Pollinate. To pollinate is to move pollen from a part of a flower that makes pollen to a part. To pollinate is to move pollen from a part of a flower that makes pollen to a part of a flower that makes seeds. Pollinator is an agent such as an insect that pollinates flowers. Disperse is to cause to become spread widely. Seed. A seed is the part of the plant that has a tiny new plant in it. And soil is the upper layer of the earth in which plants grow. And you can click right here to watch a teacher from another school make a model. So today you are going to be completing the first activity on the choice board. You're going to read both of those texts. Think about the connections that you can make between the texts. Think about the connections between the plants and the animals and the way things moved. And you're going to jot this down on any old piece of paper and share it with someone at home. If you need help reading these texts, I've read them for you. So you can click on the video and see me reading the text out loud. So this is What is Pollination? And this is the Growing Melons. After that, you're going to set your timer and read independently for 30 minutes. Your purpose for reading this week is to build your stamina. So we had a lot of stamina when we were reading in school. We could read by ourselves for a really long time. But I'm sure since you've gotten home, your stamina's gone down, which is okay. But we're going to work on building that back up. So if you've been struggling to read for 30 minutes, just try reading for 10 minutes. And increase the amount each day. So maybe today you read for 10 solid minutes without getting distracted. Then maybe tomorrow you want to try reading for 11 minutes. So just make sure that you try and challenge yourself to read a little bit longer every day. All right, come on in for math. We're going to be working with odd and even numbers. So our learning goal for this week is students will explore groups with even and odd numbers of objects in order to understand and recognize even numbers as numbers that can be represented with paired objects. So to be successful, you're going to use models to decide if a number is odd or even, and you're going to explain what makes a number odd or even by using words and pictures. So our awesome words that we are going to be using this week are odd and even. So an even number is a number that can be shown as two equal parts. An even number has a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. An odd number can't be shown as two equal parts. An odd number has a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 in the ones place. So there's one left out here. That means it's odd. And these are all evenly paired up. That means it's even. We learned about this at the beginning of the school year, and we've done some review on it. So this should be more review for you on even and odd numbers. Other important vocabulary that you're going to need to know is an equation. We know what an equation is, but if you need a review, it's a number sentence with an equal sign. The amount on one side of the equal sign has the same value as the amount on the other side. So this is equal to this. Addends are any numbers being added. Doubles, addition facts with two addends that are the same. All right, here's a little video for you. I think we might have read this in the beginning of the year, but it's a really good book, so you can listen to it again. It's Even Steven and Odd Todd. After that, you're going to use the tiles from page 13 of your offline learning packet to make each of Even Steven's and Odd Todd's items listed on page 3 in your offline learning packet. So you can use a crayon to record and color in each odd and even tower. Remember to fill up the bottom row first, then move up the tower one row at a time. So you start here, and you're going to show 6 cats. So you can color in the boxes to show 6 cats. After that, you're going to do a talk about it, write about it. So this is your journal for today. You're going to write a date at the top, just like this looks like. You're going to write, what do you notice about Even Steven's towers? And what do you notice about Odd Todd's towers? You are going to talk it over with your parent or someone at home when you are finished. You have an exit ticket for today. If you click here, it will take you to the exit ticket. Just a little practice for even and odd. After that, you're finished. Remember to go back over to Google Classroom, see if there's any other assignments posted, and don't forget about Encore assignments. Those are very important too, so make sure that every day you're also doing your Encore assignments. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye!